how to send SD quality photos on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are you frustrated with the issue of sending low quality photos on Messenger and prefer using email or other platforms instead? If yes, then you are in the right video. Messenger has recently rolled out a feature for sending photos in SD quality. And after watching this video, you won't have to worry about low quality pictures anymore. Without further ado, let's learn how to send SD quality photos on Messenger. Open Messenger on your device. You will land in the chat section. Select the conversation where you want to send SD photos. Tap on the image icon. Select one or multiple photo based on your preference. Before hitting send, tap on edit button. At the bottom left corner, you will see the option for quality with an SD icon. Tap on it. Once you select SD quality, hit the send button. After sending the photo with the SD option selected, you will see an SD watermark at the top of the image. You can even cross-check the quality by opening the picture itself. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to send SD quality photos on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.